Finally, here's another collage that I created, and this one was created using 4 pictures. Guys, this is Ricardo. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And guys, for today I'm going to show you how to create a collage on the Samsung Galaxy S8. It will also work with the S9, Note 8 and other similar devices. So once you have a Samsung device and this feature is built in, you can actually try this and you will not require any additional apps. Alright guys, so as I said, no additional apps is needed, so you will not need to download any of those collage creators for apps such as Instagram, Facebook or whatever you may want to create. And if you don't know what a collage is basically where you merge 2 different images into one cool image. Alright, so the first thing you want to do guys is just go to your gallery, and it'd be great if you have 2 pre-selected images or more. And basically I'm going to merge any 2. If you look over here, you'll notice I have a speed test right here. And if I go back, I also have another one down here with just the graph. And I'm going to do, I'm going to create both of these as a collage. I could use 2, 3 or even 4 and so on. Alright, so I'm just going to long press. And you notice that the first image is selected. And I'm going to tap to select the second image. And then if you look up here in the upper right, you'll notice 3 dots. Let's go ahead and tap the 3 dots. Then you're going to go down here. It says create collage. It's going to tap, give it a little time, and notice that the collage is now created. If you look down here, you can actually adjust it the various ways. You could have it run vertically, horizontally, or you could just mess with the split, or you could just manually move it back and forth. As for me, I'll choose this option here, which is what I prefer. And if of course I want to adjust the picture, I just have to tap the picture and adjust, as you can see here. Right, and as you can see, you have the speed up here, and down here you have the graph or the meter showing the various speeds. And once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and save. If not, you could actually add additional pictures by tapping the plus button, or you can add edits here by tapping and selecting your colors and so on, and you can adjust the collage as needed. As for me, I'm just gonna keep it as is, and now that I'm satisfied, I'm gonna go ahead and hit save. And notice it says it's saved in DCIM in collage, and don't worry, your phone will automatically find the collage. And I'm going to go to the image, so just minimize. You can just go straight to gallery. It should be at the top of the gallery, and there you go. As you can see here, the image is now created. I could actually share this on social media or places like Instagram and so on. And as you can see here guys, here's another one that I actually created, which is more practical. And this was a speed test before and after my internet upgrade. And as you can see here, before, this was what I was getting on my internet, and now that I'm upgraded, this is the new speed. So if I want to demonstrate to somebody the improvement in speed based on the speed test, I could actually do this. And all I did was to capture 2 separate images and then actually use a collage feature to merge both images as one. Finally, here's another collage that I created, and this one was created using 4 pictures. And of course you can see how beautiful it is. Now something like this would be great for somewhere like Instagram, so you could actually upload this after creating this. And there are a variety of options and creations that you can create using these tips as shown here, using the collage feature. So I hope guys this has helped you out a lot. You know, you can use collages to increase the beauty of your pictures and upload them to social media such as Instagram. Alright guys, we're from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time guys. Bye.